Good art is a form of prayer. It is a way to say what is not said. Dance, it is a hidden language to express oneself. For me, my dance is my prayer, and it is my language to express my emotions, my intense feeling, as well as what I would like to say to the society. I write with my dance, I sing with my dance, I pray with my dance. When I started dancing, obviously it was a joy for me, and I could feel the passion, I could feel the ecstasy when I was in motion. But then one day I thought that, will I just continue dancing for myself, or is it also my role to get others dance? You know what I feel? You don't have to be a born dancer. Obviously, each one of us are blessed with some virtues, some qualities, and that is an advantage. But saying so I came to this point where I thought that each one of us are dancing all the time round. So when I identified dance from that point of view, that we are all dancers, so then the idea came to my mind that why can't I make every human being dance? I felt that there is a social responsibility that we all have, and we must fulfill that responsibility. So I decided that I would like to work with socially challenged people. Those people who cannot come readily in contact with the society. In some way, I wouldn't say that they are hiding, but they are behind the scene. They are all very active. We don't know about them, and that is actually somewhere our disadvantage, that we don't know about them. So these people, these beautiful girls, they are staying in Mathura, in a residential house, and they're all staying together as a family, but actually in its physical and anatomical terms, they are not family. They're all sisters, they are staying together, they are growing together, they are studying together, and they are developing themselves as human beings. It's Nijaloi home in Mathura. I was asked to visit Nijaloi home, and the first day I decided that I would like to talk to them. Because talking for me can be done in a much more meaningful manner through dance. And I heard that they are also very good dancers. So I wanted to see that can we communicate just through dance, in silence. And the way we communicated is, they showed me some of their dance pieces, and I also dance for them. And we could see that there's an exchange of feelings, of emotion, of appreciation. And already we were like friends, we were in talking terms.
ভালো লেগেছিল আর ওনার নাচ আমাদের খুব ভালো লেগেছে এবং শেখাই ভালো। ভাবছিলাম যে দিদি কি স্টেপ দেখতে পারবো, এত কঠিন স্টেপ তখন কি দেখাচ্ছে স্টেপ, দিদি পারবো না, পারবি না মানে আমি পারছি সেরকম, দিদি পারবো না, লাঠিনে দাঁড়া করছে পেছনে, তারপরে ধরে ধরে আরেকটু বসে আরেকটু দাঁড়িয়ে করে করে।
Then I kind of started pondering that what is it that I should make them do, where they would be able to naturally express their emotions. and the most appropriate was Rabindranath Tagore's Chondalika, the untouchable girl. So we decided to explore the classical dance styles of Kathak, of Manipuri, of Bharatanatyam, and then have a bit of contemporary feeling, contemporary insight, where some of the acrobatic martial art movements. But by that time, we just became so close that when the first presentation was over, I started missing them and they started missing me. And it was their next question that when we'll have our next performance. So I said, soon. And then we carried on without rehearsals. And the next presentation was based on the Festival of Colour, Holi. And I also wanted to get them adorned with colourful bright sarees, the batiks, decked with the ornaments, the flowers, the marigold flowers put across their hair. And when they all got dressed up, all geared for the performance, they were really up on it. And all the colours were mixing and blending in their palettes, getting ready to paint with tone. And we carry on with many such creations. And I really hope that one day these girls, my dear dancers, they will really prepare themselves so that they can start communicating to the rest of the world with their art, which will be living forever.
নারী কেবল শান্ত নয়, প্রয়োজনে নারী কখনো রুদ্র রূপিণী। সত্যের জন্য, ন্যায়ের জন্য নারী শক্তি সংসারে চণ্ডী রূপে বিরাজ করে। কাঁধার করে মাটি নদীক বসনা জলে বন্যি শিখা রসনা দেখে মরি বাড়ি ভাইছে পতঙ্গে উলঙ্গিনী নাচে রণরঙ্গে আমরা নৃত্য করি সঙ্গে উলঙ্গিনী নাচে রণরঙ্গে मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै। কাজ নেই মা, কাজ নেই মোর ঘর কন্যা, কাজ নেই মা, কাজ নেই মোর ঘর কন্যা। যাক ভেসে যাক, যাক ভেসে সব বন্যায়, কাজ নেই মা, কাজ নেই মোর ঘর কন্যা। জন্ম কেন দিলি মোরে, লাঞ্ছনা জীবন ভরে, মা হয়ে আনিলি এই অভিশাপ, কার কাছে বল করেছি কোন পাপ, বিনা অপরাধে এ কি ঘোর অন্যায়। জল দাও আমায়, জল দাও, জল দাও আমায়, জল দাও। রৌদ্র প্রখরতর পথ সুদীর্ঘ, আমায় জল দাও। শুধু একটি গণ্ডূষ জল, আহা নিলেন তাহার করুটের কমল কলিকায়। চোখে আমার তৃষ্ণা, আমি বৃষ্টিবিহীন বৈশাখী দিন। এখনো জাগেনি রসাতল বাসিনী, জাগেনি, জাগেনি।
পাপ নয় পুণ্যের পথে পবিত্রতার বন্ধনে বাঁধিতে চায় প্রিয়তমকে, হয়ে ওঠে সে চিরন্তন নারী।
প্রভু এসেছ ধারিতে আমায়, প্রভু এসেছ ধারিতে আমায়। কল্যাণ হোক তব কল্যাণী। ঊর্ধ্ব সুশুদ্ধ করুণার্ণব, योच्यन्तः शुद्धबल ज्ञानलोचनो।
তোমার হৃদয়